and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are here at Runwal's new project,
Runwal 7 Mahalakshmi,
which is located next to Arthur Road near Jacob Circle in Mahalakshmi, Mumbai. Well, we are at the actual site. हम करने वाले हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट का टीजर ओवरव्यू. प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में तो इन डिटेल हम जानेंगे, लेकिन उसके पहले हम जानते हैं कि Housey क्या है. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects the customers with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, यानी कि the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms जहाँ पर अगर आप इंक्वायरी करते हैं तो आपके नंबर ढेर सारे ब्रोकर्स के साथ शेयर हो जाते हैं and you start getting a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey एक ऐसा रियल एस्टेट प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पर लिस्टिंग करते हैं सीधा डेवलपर्स. तो यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए, book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. So well, now let me tell you what are you going to get in the teaser overview. We will be talking about the project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process and much more. So let's get started. सबसे पहले we are going to go inside the project and see how the actual site looks like. उसके पहले I would like to show you how the project is located right on the main road. So यहाँ से हर चीज आपको easy connectivity में मिल जाती है. And now without any delay, let's go inside the actual site and see how the project is. Let's go. So let's start with project overview. So project overview के लिए हम आए हैं actual site of
Runwal 7 Mahalakshmi.
This is the actual site. This project is going to be constructed on 4.5 acres of land parcel, जिसमें आपको मिलने वाले हैं 3 towers of ground plus 70 stories, and you will be getting 2 BHK, 3 BHK and जोड़ी premium residences. अब बात करते हैं लोकेशन के बारे में. सो आई एम स्टैंडिंग राइट आउटसाइड द प्रोजेक्ट. ये है हमारा प्रोजेक्ट
Runwal 7 Mahalakshmi.
एंड ये है द जेकब सर्कल के पास ही है ये प्रोजेक्ट. आर्थर रोड जेकब सर्कल के पास है. इट्स लाइक ऑन द मेन रोड. यहाँ से हर चीज इजी कनेक्टिविटी पे आपको मिल जाती है. महालक्ष्मी स्टेशन इज अराउंड 900 मीटर्स फ्रॉम दिस प्रोजेक्ट. सात रास्ता यहाँ से बस 700 मीटर की दूरी पर है. साथ ही साथ ओनली एट 1.8 किलोमीटर्स यू कैन रीच टू पैलेडियम मॉल एज वेल. प्रोजेक्ट में आपको मिलती है 50 प्लस लग्जूरियस amenities with the likes of a clubhouse, steam and massage, fully equipped gym, swimming pool, kids play area and much more. Now talking about the carpet area, so in this project that is
Runwal 7 Mahalakshmi,
2 and 3 BHK premium residences. 2 BHK आपको मिलेगा 800 to 900 square feet की configuration में, and 3 BHK you will be getting between 1100 square feet to 1300 square feet usable carpet area. Now let's talk about the booking process. Well, the project booking window is now open. Clients can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project details, share the pricing and payment scheme, and if the client likes the project, then they can book it by paying a token. There will be 2 types of EOI or token amount. So the 2 BHK's EOI will be of 4.5 lakhs, whereas the 3 BHK's EOI will be of 9 lakhs.
So everyone, this was a teaser of Runwal Group's new launch luxury project, Runwal 7 Mahalakshmi, located next to Arthur Road near Jacob Circle, Mahalakshmi, Mumbai. If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.